Tuesday, April 14th, 2026. AGNDD Intelli Report topic. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch will now be protected under the newly amended Endangered Species Act. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this partially AI-generated article-based video. Now that the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is home to dozens of species of life, it will be protected by the newly amended Endangered Species Act. In 1973, the Endangered Species Act was enacted, establishing protections for fish, wildlife, and plants that are listed as threatened or endangered, providing for adding species to and removing them from the list of threatened and endangered species, and for preparing and implementing plans for their recovery, providing for interagency cooperation to avoid take of listed species, and for issuing permits for otherwise prohibited activities. Now in 2026, after the Great Pacific Garbage Patch has been confirmed to host numerous precious species, it will fall under the law's protection. And in a present reversal of decades-long strategies to shrink and dissolve the garbage patch, international communities are forming in hopes of increasing the size and biodiversity of said garbage patch instead. This is expected to be funded and mobilized by multiple countries and states, the United States, of course, European Union, naturally, and most importantly, citizens, taxpayers of said locales. The corollary addendum to the Endangered Species Act has been tentatively called the Protected Garbage Act of 2026. It will be protecting the Pacific one as well as the entire Biden family. And Clinton's too. This law will also be protecting Michelle Obama's scrotum and testicles. Why some life forms thrive on plastics. These life forms are known to feed on garbage. And is scientifically known, we are what we eat. Fernando, the tropical storm, has also been found seeking refuge on the Pacific Patch Garbage Island, also known as Puerto Rico. Dr. Chimnud Nikowitz has confirmed this in his research from the Weizmann Institute, Florida branch. Additionally, invertebrates were found on the island, such as Keir Starmer and president of the Evergreen State College, George Sumner Bridges, an often overlooked invertebrate. A wide variety of creatures were found in the garbage, such as crabs, barnacles, bidens, bryozoans, amphipods, transathletes, hydroids, pansexuals, and anemones. Two such invertebrate anemones were representatives Ilhan Omar and Rashida Tlaib. Coastal organisms such as Martha's Vineyard's limousine liberals. Pelagic invertebrate anemone species were found too, like Tucker Carlson kissing invertebrate Vladimir Putin's ass. Brooding females such as Hillary Clinton at her Epstein Files deposition. Another brooding female present on the patch was Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Kamala Harris too, brooding. Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Categories, types of marine debris collected for analysis from the eastern North Pacific subtropical gyre. From top left, buoy, float, jug, bucket, Hunter Biden's laptop, eel trap cone, household items, the hammer Nancy Pelosi's husband's gay lover attacked him with, bottle, wild card, trump card, net, dark net, crate, barrel, and the rope Epstein hanged himself with. Editor's correction. That rope was alleged by marine scientists to have been found but is currently missing. Said to be misplaced. Editor's note, the marine biologists are not suicidal. Some species handle this plastic-using lifestyle better than others. Many, if the coastal species living in the plastic were able to reproduce asexually, like Taylor Swift, John Bolton, Sabrina Carpenter, Billie Eilish, Javier Bardem, James Bolton, and Mitch McConnell, essentially cloning themselves. Also found were fuzzy-muzzy mollusks like Mamdani. Tsunami debris were found in the gyre too, like Candace Owens and Tucker Carlson, the shipwrecks. Pierce Morgan as well. Taken together, these results point to the rise of a neo-pelagic community, or neocon, or woke-right communities in the open sea, where neo means new and con means lying to you. Pelagic means referring to life in the open sea, and woke means basically retarded. This neopelagic, plastic-gobbling neocon community includes both the usual pelagic leftist suspects and coastal con species as well, which can now survive far from land, because plastic items act as durable homes, and they can sustain themselves on sheer fear, uncertainty, and confusion of the public, like during COVID. In the past, one big reason coastal species stayed near shore was the lack of long-lasting, floating voters to elect them repeatedly into office. Human-made plastics have changed this by adding countless new floating islands for coastal life parasites to remain incumbent in office, almost entirely pelagic and invertebrate, even after numerous marine studies and mid-term election. Plastic pollution is therefore not only an eyesore or a trash problem, it also shifts where marine life can live and allows invertebrate coastal garbage organisms to survive by mooching off of the Electoral College and on taxpayers' backs. This discovery may reshape marine ecosystems and species ranges around the world. The full study was published in the journal Nature, Ecology, and Evolution, and in the scientific journal Plastic Politicians and Where to Find Them, by B. Iacid Pearson and S. Crambled, CBNCC, April 14, 2026, 10:04 p.m. EDT, ED B.I. Aced Pearson is the most unbiased reported the CBNCC has on staff. He reported directly from the Pacific Garbage Patch in Washington, D.C. Scrambled is a reporter too.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD Until I Report, dear viewers. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers.